Schlage smart locks use pairing mode to connect to your smartphone app or smart home systems like Apple HomeKit. Enabling discoverability is essential for initial setup, repairing after changes, and integrating with other devices. We'll cover how to activate this mode for seamless integration. To enable pairing mode on your Schlage lock, first locate the Schlage button on the keypad. Press and hold this button for 5 to 10 seconds. When the light flashes, it means the lock is now discoverable and broadcasting its presence. This creates a temporary secure state that allows authorized devices to connect via Bluetooth or the Matter protocol. For pairing with the Schlage Home app via Bluetooth, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Check your phone's quick settings or settings menu to turn it on. Next, open the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Otherwise, log in with your existing credentials. The app will guide you through the pairing process with on-screen instructions. Follow each step carefully to proceed. Once the lock is in pairing mode, the app will automatically detect it via Bluetooth. Continue following the prompts to complete the secure connection. For newer, Matter-enabled Schlage locks, open the Apple Home app on your iOS device. Select Add Accessory and choose Schlage. The Home app will guide you through the pairing process, often requiring you to scan a QR code or enter a setup code. Ensure your lock is in pairing mode as described earlier. If you have an older, non-Matter Schlage lock, you'll need to pair it with the Schlage Home app first. Once paired, you can bridge the lock to HomeKit through the Schlage app settings. Follow the instructions within the Schlage app to enable HomeKit integration. If pairing issues occur, first ensure the lock is powered and within Bluetooth range of your device. Next, check for and install any available updates for the Schlage app. Try restarting your smartphone and the lock by briefly removing and reinserting the batteries. As a last resort, perform a factory reset by holding the Schlage button for 30 seconds. Security is paramount when setting up your Schlage lock. Pairing is deliberately user-initiated to ensure only you control access. Schlage locks employ end-to-end encryption using AES-256, along with unique pairing codes to prevent any unauthorized access. To further enhance security, always use strong passwords for both your Schlage account and HomeKit setup. Finally, avoid connecting to unknown or public Wi-Fi networks during the setup process to protect your data. The increasing adoption of the Matter protocol is streamlining smart home integration across ecosystems. Expect future Schlage locks to offer even simpler pairing processes and enhanced interoperability with platforms like HomeKit, Google Home, and Alexa. Regular firmware updates are crucial to maintain compatibility and benefit from the latest security enhancements.